नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर आरती पुरोहित, टुडे एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पैथोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंसेज, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today, our new topic in bacteriology is the Escherichia coli. Theodor Escherichia first described the Escherichia coli in 1885 as Bacterium coli commune, which he isolated from the feces of the newborn. It was later renamed Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli is the head of the large bacterial family Enterobacteriaceae, the enteric bacteria which are facultatively anaerobic gram-negative rod that live in the intestinal tract of animal in health and disease. The representative of the family Enterobacteriaceae are among the most important bacteria medically. A number of genera within the family are human intestinal pathogen, that is Salmonella, Shigella, Yersinia. Several others are normal colonists of the human gastrointestinal tract, that is Escherichia, Enterobacter, Klebsiella. But these bacteria as well may occasionally be associated with the disease of the human. Thus, Escherichia coli is a common gram-negative bacterium found in normal human bacterial flora. Some strain, however, can cause severe and life-threatening diarrhea. Escherichia coli is a G facultative anaerobe and non-sporulating. The cells are about 2 micrometer long and 0.5 micron meter in diameter, with a cell volume of 0.6 to 0.7 micron meter. Physiologically, Escherichia coli is well adapted to its characteristic habitats. It can grow in media with glucose as the sole organic constituent. It can live on a wide variety of substrates. Wild-type Escherichia coli has no growth factor requirement, and metabolically it can transform glucose into all the macromolecular components that make up the cell. The bacterium can grow in the presence or absence of oxygen. Under anaerobic condition, it will grow by means of fermentation. Escherichia coli uses mixed acid fermentation in anaerobic condition, producing lactase, succinate, ethanol, acetate, and carbon dioxide, producing characteristic mixed acids and gas as end product. However, it can grow by means of anaerobic respiration since it is able to utilize NO3, NO2 or fumarate as final electron acceptors for respiratory electron transport processes. In part, this adapt Escherichia coli to its intestinal, that is anaerobic, and its extraintestinal, that is aerobic or anaerobic habitat. Strain that possess flagella can swim and are motile, but other strain lack flagellum. The flagella of Escherichia coli have a peritrichous arrangement. It can sense the presence or absence of chemical and gases in its environment and swim towards or away from them. Or it can stop swimming and grow fimbriae that will specifically attach it to the cell or surface receptor. Optimal growth of Escherichia coli occurs at 37, but some laboratory strains can multiply at temperature of up to 49. Growth can be driven by aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Growth on endo and McConkey media become red in color. Escherichia coli normally colonizes an infant's GI tract within 40 hours of birth, arriving with food or water, or with the individual handling the child. In the bowel, it adheres to the mucus of the large intestine. It is the primary facultative organism of the human gastrointestinal tract. However, it makes up a very small proportion of the total bacterial content. The common cell Escherichia coli strain that inhibit the large intestine of all human in warm-blooded animals comprises no more than 1% of total bacterium biomass. The anaerobic bacteroids separates in the bowel outnumber Escherichia coli by at least 20 is to 1. However, the regular presence of Escherichia coli in the human intestine and feces has led to tracking the bacterium in nature as an indicator of fecal pollution and water contamination. As long as these bacteria do not acquire genetic element encoding the virulence factor, they remain benign commensals. Escherichia coli and related bacteria possess the ability to transfer DNA via bacterial conjugation, transduction, or transformation, which allow genetic material to spread horizontally through an existing population. Therefore, such processes led to the spread of the gene encoding Shiga toxin from Shigella to Escherichia coli O157 raised to 87 carried by the bacteriophage. Over 700 antigenic types serotype of Escherichia coli are recognized based on OH and K antigen. At one time, serotyping was important in distinguishing the small number of strains that actually causes disease. O refers to the somatic antigen, H refers to the flagellar antigen, and K refers to the capsular antigen, and thermostable polysaccharides. Pathogenic strains of Escherichia coli are responsible for three types of infections in human. Urinary tract infection, that is very important in Escherichia coli. Most of the UTI are occurs because of Escherichia coli. Others are Klebsiella and all others are also there. In neonatal meningitis, it is very common. In intestinal disease, that is the gastroenteritis, which is causing by the Escherichia coli. From place to place, it varies the strain. The disease caused by the particular strain of Escherichia coli depend on the distribution and expression of an array of virulence determinant, including adhesion, invasion, toxins, ability to withstand host defense. We shall discuss deeply diarrhea-associated strains of Escherichia coli. In UTI cases, because of adherence mechanism, virulence, it adheres to the instruments used in the surgery. As a pathogen, Escherichia coli is best known for its ability to cause intestinal disease. Five classes of Escherichia coli that causes the diarrhea disease are now recognized. First is the enterotoxigenic Escherichia coli. Enterotoxigenic Escherichia coli, enteropathogenic Escherichia coli, enteroinvasion, because it has the invasing property, invasing toxin is there. Enterohemorrhagic Escherichia coli, which is causing the intestinal hemorrhage. Then enteroaggregative, which is propagating Escherichia coli. Each class falls within a serology subgroup and manifests distinct features in pathogenesis. There is only pathogenetic difference, but most of the time the clinical signs and features are the same, treatment is the same, prevention is the same. Each class is characterized by a particular antigen formula combination of O, K and H antigen, which is used for diagnosis of escherichiosis and analysis of the epidemiological data. The treatment of Escherichia coli is a fast therapy by coli bacteriophages, which is also used to prevent the diarrhea caused by the Escherichia coli. Combined preparations of phages are effective for associated intestinal infections, coli proteus, pyobacteriophage, and intestiphage, which contain coliphage as one of the components. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this session. You have understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.